During a trial, the judge or the court, as we call them, can influence the case, but in my experience, what the judge's role is really, and I'm not minimizing it at all, but it's somewhat of a referee. As a trial lawyer, what you're doing is you have to listen very carefully to each question that's asked and each answer that's given when it comes to live witness testimony. And so if a question's asked that should not be asked, or if an answer is given that should not be given, the parties should object. And when the parties object, it's then the judge's responsibility to then rule on those objections and decide whether or not that evidence should have come in or not. And then the judge has a variety of options available to it, but really it's up to the lawyer to include the judge in the case, because if you're sitting there as an attorney and you don't object to something that's unfairly prejudicial, notice I didn't say prejudicial, because there are many things that happen during a trial that are prejudicial to both sides. The standard is it unfairly prejudicial, and is it relevant? So under those circumstances, a lawyer should and must object to protect their client. And then it's up to the judge to rule either for the lawyer who objected or against them. And so the judge can influence a trial, but it's only after the lawyers make their objections. During the course of a trial, the court applies the law to the facts and evidence that is being presented. That's the court's job, and judges do a very good job of that.